Okay, guys, hello, happy Sunday. We are going to take the boys' travel system outside and put their car seats in the van and get everything ready. How exciting just to know in 6 more weeks there's going to be 2 babies in here. Oh, how adorable. Yep, so my scheduled C-section is December 28th. I know I haven't shared that with you guys yet. So that'll put me at 37 weeks. I'm 31 weeks now. Here's the tummy. So we are very excited. Oh, these car seats are so nice. Get a better look at them here in the sunlight. And the stroller. Oh, I love my stroller. We're going to put the other car seat base in because we only have one in right now. Okay, so we're going to put the Bud Light. My husband works for Budweiser, ladies. And they gave that to him free. That won't be in there. That's not like an emergency stash. Oh, goodness gracious. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to put the stroller in. We have my husband's paperwork from work. We have one base all ready to rock and roll. And it's level, you can see, nice and level. And we bought these car seat protectors so that it won't ruin the fabric on the car seats, or on the seats. So now we just need to install the other base and we're good to go. And we'll be semi prepared. This one needs to get locked. This one's loose because when we went to vacuum the car out, we moved these out of the way. So my husband's going to tighten these because it's not even in. So we're going to do all that and get that all ready, and then we'll go to the fire station and make sure we have them safely and properly installed. So yeah, here we go. Perfect. Let's see how the car seats look. Look at that cuteness. Wow. How cute is that? I need to get those little mirrors. I forgot all about those. So cute. We're all ready. Is that other one locked in place, that base? Now we're going to head to the fire department. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching us get ready for the boys. It's so exciting. And then I can sit right here on the way home. Well, I'll try. With my C-section, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back there comfortably. Or maybe their grandma can sit right there. Because my mother-in-law will be here for the boys' arrival. So that'd be good. Alright. We're ready. Thanks for watching, guys.